story is Dragon's Merry Christmas. For Linda and Amma Alderson. The Perfect Christmas Tree. One cold morning, Dragon went out to find the perfect Christmas tree. He walked through the country snow, saw all sorts of trees, big ones, small ones, cooked ones, and striped ones. Finally, he found the most beautiful Christmas tree of all. It was not too big or too small. It was not too cooked or too tight. It was just right. Dragon looked down and saw the tree's beautiful brown trunk. It stood firm and strong in the frozen earth. He looked up and saw its beautiful green branches. Then they waved back and forth in the cold summer wind. Dragon could not cut down such a pretty tree. Instead, she came back with colored red silver bells and everything he needed to make his tree even more beautiful. That night, Dragon looked out and his Christmas tree shone in the night.
Shining in the night.
Shining in the night. It was truly perfect.
Good.
Chapter 2: The